Hello dear children, Namaste. Children, Shravan month has already begun and today is the 5th day of Shravan. It is the day of Nag Panchami. So let us know more about this festival. Children, Nag Panchami falls on the 5th day of Shravan. On this day, people worship snakes. If a live snake is not available, an image or a picture of the serpent means snake is used. Children, it is believed that by worshipping cobras on this day, one is safe from them for the whole year. In the past, Nag Panchami was a special occasion for married women to visit their father's place. They enjoyed with their friends. They sat on swings, sang songs, played different games. Nag Panchami is said to be the day when Lord Krishna defeated Kaliya, the furious snake who lived in the Jamuna. Children, ours is an agricultural country and mice cause major damage to food grains. Snakes, especially cobras, are the only effective biocontrol on rodents, and this must have been a major reason for the farmers to worship snakes. Therefore, snakes are called friends of farmers. Let us know about interesting facts of snakes. Children, there are nearly 3,000 varieties of snakes. Snakes are deaf and cannot hear sounds. Most poisonous snakes have bright colors. Snakes eat only when they feel hungry. Snakes are allergic to milk. We should never give them milk. Snakes can swallow large prey easily. Snakes don't have nose. Sea snakes breathe through their skin. Snakes respond to movement and not to sound. Snakes smell with their tongue. Snakes shed their skin. Snakes hear using vibrations in their jaw bones. They do not have legs and eyelids. They have scales on their bodies. Children, it is believed that a cobra lives in an anthill, but that is not true. Anthills are built by ants, not by a cobra. I repeat, children, anthills are built by ants, not by a cobra. The cobras live in holes. Now here are body parts of snake. You can see its head, eyes, mouth, tongue, body and tail. Here are cobras of the world. Observe this picture very carefully, children. Egyptian cobra, Chinese cobra, southern Philippine cobra, red spitting cobra, king cobra and Indian cobra. Now here are varieties of snakes. Observe it very carefully, children. As I told you earlier, there are nearly 3,000 varieties of snakes. So these are varieties of snakes. These are colorful snakes. You can draw their pictures in your scrapbook. These are two-headed snakes. Means their body is one and they have two heads. Two-headed snakes. These are sea snakes. They live in water. These are flying snakes. They fly in the air to catch their prey. So after all, children, variety is the rule in nature. Yes, children? Nowadays, catching cobras before Nag Panchami, taking them to people and earning money has become a business. Not only are the animals badly handled after being caught, but also they are fed unnatural food. The cobras are thus compelled to consume milk, which is not their natural food. Those people who are concerned about our environment have been appealing to the public to help prevent such activities and to lodge complaints against those who indulge in such activities. Okay, children? So, we must save and protect animals. They are our friends. Thank you, children. Have a good day.